Alrighty, what is up, guys? Hope you're doing well today. Want to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll talk about Apple stock a little bit as well. The basic thing here is that we could be headed to a correction, kind of based on how this daily looks for Ethereum and Bitcoin. But first, I want you guys to follow my Twitch right here. The live streams are now exclusively on Twitch. It will be on 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, so follow it to check it out. We have a lot of fun on there. Please check it out. And the BITGET airdrop right now, free $100 USDT position, link in description below. If you already have an account, you can create a new one. The details for it are down here. And also you need a VPN if you're in the US, so check that out, guys. So let's get into the analysis here. The daily, we look at these split RSIs, very split RSIs in daily. A lot of times, we came into the green, but a lot of times when you come into the green, especially in bear markets, sometimes it doesn't end up as good as you would expect. I mean, look right here what happened with this one. We came into the green, just right back down. And basically for short-term realistic kind of predictions for the short term, what you could possibly trade based off of here, never financial advice, but this one was a 10% drop down. This one was, the least bearish one. This was only about a 5% drop down. And this one obviously was, I believe, a 25% drop down to the bottom there. You do have that jump in there, but yeah. So at that point right there. So we could absolutely come down 5 hours to confirm. The big thing in this market that I want to show you guys, because people ask me about long-term a lot, I think it's a really, really good accumulation phase to start DCAing in right now, kind of based on this 12-day confirmed in the red. Look at here. This was about, February all the way, a little over a 1 year period. Your best place here would have been to kind of DCA. This was February all the way until September. So, I mean, that's about a 7-month period to DCA in. Kind of the same deal here. You came into the red there. This was an absolutely good place for long-term accumulation from September 2019 all the way a little under a year. So, it's probably about 10 months there, that kind of area. I believe this was actually longer in 7 months. I think I said it the wrong way. What was that? That was February till, well, before the jump up, February, October. No, I believe I did say it right, about an eight or 7 month period. So yeah, that kind of area. So if you want to DCA in now, I think, 6 to 8 month period of long-term, DCA accumulation, I think we'll absolutely hit a bottom if we haven't already along that point. So big area. In terms of money flow on some of these time frames, let's just look at this 7-day money flow. Some of them tell you hit the bottom. Some of them tell you we're going to have a leg down pretty soon. With this money flow in the 7-day, that's a 40% drop right there. And my gut instinct tells me, we could have hit the bottom, but my gut instinct tells me here it would be the trajectory to really come down a lot. This is 50%. That was a long time ago. Market cap was smaller. Gut instinct tells me that, kind of based on how the regular market looks as well, we're going to see some type of capitulation, a lot of things in November. And I think it's going to be down to about our 400 weekly moving average, which is at 13.5 right now. 35% down, I think, is a huge area. And I think that could absolutely be the bottom here. Let me just show you it on our weekly 400 weekly moving average right there. 13.4 right now about. So it could be a little bit higher by the time we hit it next month. I think we could absolutely come down to that point next month. And yeah, looking at, like the daily, as I mentioned, this is the point to come down. And by the way, guys, if you're interested in the Patreon with some of my trade signals, all of that, I am short on Ethereum right now, but I would suggest waiting until tomorrow to sign up because you will get double billed. Patreon's system is a little weird. So wait till November 1st to sign up for that. Link in the description below. It's a really good community. Bearish dip confirmed there in the 12-hour. Usually in the bear market, see how the green is. I mean, you come into the green, then you just roll over. Come into the green, you roll over. Come into the green there, you roll. You know what I'm saying? And then the bearish times in the red stay a lot longer. So that's absolutely what we're looking at here. And looking at some of these low time frames, money flow generally coming out. We're crossing into the. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Crossing into the red on the 3-hour. Cross deep into the red in 2-hour. Hourly in the red. So it does seem most likely, in my view, I mean, you're coming up with the 15-minute, there's some things shorter term that are bullish, but seems most likely you're going to end up, I mean, what's this type of correction from our top here? 7%, 6% correction down to the spiral line at least. and then we'll see what happens. Ethereum, it's kind of the same, general trajectory. Here, this drop off, let's look at how it was for Ethereum. Here was run right here. I mean, you jumped up a little bit before that to scare away all the shorts, 14% downward. This was your least bearish, about 8%. And this one right here, I mean, before you had the jump up, this was about 23%. So, I mean, areas, big areas, obviously here. Bottom of these EMAs is going to be big, 13% down. I think there could be some, support there. Also, this wedge that we broke off out of, I believe we got even higher than our technical target or hit our technical target. So you're kind of due to come back down. And yeah, I mean, like I said, for Bitcoin, you're in a bear market. Look at the money flow. Usually, a lot of times it just curves right back over. Wait till the RSI's got high, curves right back over, and then you come back down. That's what we got to worry about here. Money flow kind of overheated on our 6 hour. Money flow overheated on the 4 hour, and you're kind of losing the place of support. You're kind of, does this place act as support? No, not really. Then you're losing it. Blood diamond on the 2 hour. It's not too strong on the 2 hour, but still, I think it kind of means something. One of the reasons why I'm currently short on ETH. I think there's a good shot we come down a bit more here. And I want to talk about Apple a little bit because obviously Apple, it's a $2.4 trillion market cap currently. Seems like it only goes up, it never really goes down. You're getting a rare bearish sign here, and this is this monthly, red X. And anytime other than like a recession, it normally brings you down, or at least 23% there. This one right here, this confirms in an hour and a half as well, 27%. So let's say it's one of the more bullish, not bad. 20% even. That's 122. This is a big area support resistance. After that, you got kind of here. I have a feeling, that Apple could kind of come down based on this. Look at here. This was the .com bubble. The LX really brought you down. I mean, it was after it confirmed, came down even farther. Here, same deal. This was 08, bam, right down. I mean, what was this percentage right here? That was a 50% drop down. And, in a bad, we saw Amazon kind of come down a lot. We're seeing everything, unfold slowly but surely. It could come down quite a bit. And you're only 2 years back in time if we come down that much. I mean, there's a lot of people that I feel like would end up selling this. Right there at that point, that was kind of crazy just how you've been so high in the money flow in the monthly here. I think this time may be a little bit different. I think you're definitely going to come down more. And I think that could kind of lead to a potential capitulation in the stock market and everything a little bit after midterms here. So that's what you got to be careful with. Just wanted to show you guys that. Could be a good potential short right now. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in trading, check out the link to BITGET. First link down to the really good airdrop for BITGET down below, $300 USDT position, only with my link down below. And the Patreon, but wait till tomorrow to check that out. Also, please follow my Twitch tonight. We're going live 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come ask me a question. Say you're from YouTube. I'll give you a shout out. So check that out. All right, guys, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And have a good one, guys. Goodbye.